Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be learning how to use this assignment feature in Google Classroom. So first you need to go to the link classroom.google.com. Then you have to click on your class. Let's say some random class code I have given here, right? So here I am being a teacher here, so you can go to classwork, then you have to go on create option. Okay, the create option, you have couple of things like assignment. You can go ahead with a quiz assignment, you can ask a single one question, you can upload any material if you want to share to the class, right? And then topic, let's go to assignment. Here let's say you want people to upload their let's say cover letter. Okay, upload your cover letter before 16th July, let's say 6 p.m. Okay, let me bold it. You can change all the things here. You can underline as well. So here it's a bulleted list if you want to give. Then you can add any of the sample if you want to give, or else click on you can click on create here, like let's say Google Doc you want to share, or slides. Okay, then you have to come to here. It's a point, it's you can give anything like this is basically the point. If someone completes this task and you approve it, then how much point you want to give, let's say 200 points. Okay, here you can give the due date, let's say 16th July, let's say time 6 works fine, let's say 6 p.m. Okay, that's it. And then topic, let's say resume. Okay, in that topic this will be there. Now you have to click on assign, or else you can schedule it for some other time. You can save this, you can discard it. So you'll be clicking on assign, right? I think we have done things here. Yeah, okay, click on assign. Now every people enrolled in this classroom will be getting instruction in their mail that your teacher has given this assignment, right? So in this resume section, we have added resume section, cover letter came here. This is due date is given 6 p.m. right? So if you click on it, details are here to assign, because I have 2 people in my classroom as student here. So handed in, like you haven't handed it them, like they haven't received yet. So you can click on view assignment. Let's say these are 2 people, 2 students here. Now it has been assigned mode. Okay, now they will be clicking on it, and finally they will be clicking on submit, and then view in option will be there. After that they will be submitting it to you, and then you can click on it. Let's say I have asked them to share the resumes, let's say this one. Yeah, so I think so Ananya has handed in, and Gayatri, actually I sent her resume back because I didn't like it. So let's say this time when someone sends the resume here, you can get it here, submit a resume, all the things will be appeared here. This is the way you see. And you can assign mark. Let's say out of 200 we gave now. Yeah, I have assigned 100 before this resume thing. Let's say I liked it. If you don't like it, you can return it here. There's also option here, like if return this submission or return multiple submission. Basically you have to click on the return symbol here, and after going through the assignment, you can award some marks. Let's say I like the resume, she is colored, and things are good here, so I'll give around, let's say 85, right? Good one. You can comment here and then click on post. That's it. So basically it's done, not returned. Okay, this option will come in. This is accepted. Okay, and now she got 85 marks. Okay, here you can see, then arrange all the list of people will be here. You'll be assigning them marks. That's it, I guess. Then you can go back here, these are the student works here. Student work, then instruction that you have given. I have given 100 points for resume, and the deadline I have mentioned here. So you can also see at what time they have submitted. Let's say if I click on this one, this will be given time handed in. When exactly they have handed in? 6th July 4:29 p.m. and you can also see the history at what time. So I have given this at this time. I have given the marks. The assignment time was this much, 4:20, and she has handed in 9 minutes. So this is the time she has submitted. So according to that, you can also mark them. And I think that's the thing. And instruction is here. And if you want to announce something here, you can do that. Let's say you want to tell something that the class has been shifted or something, you can post here. You can attach your YouTube link or something for study material purpose. You can do that. You can also assign, let's say you want to give some different tasks to different people. You can do it here. Let's say I want to give certain tasks to Gayatri only, so I can untick Ananya and then I can send to this one person, one student only. I can do that as well. And yeah, and here I can see how many people are here. In marks I can see who scored how much. So this is the class average. I just have 2 people here, so I haven't given any work marks to Gayatri, so it's missing. I've given some couple of other things before as well on 22nd June. And yeah, so this was the today's marks. I gave 85 out of 100. You can also see view submission here, and then cover letter that I have assigned. After that they submit, I can give from 200. I can assign some marks to them, and this is the class average. So basically Google Classroom is complete solution, I would say, to everything. You can host your classes here. See the classwork, it's the Google Calendar is attached here, and you can check the class drive folder. Basically all the details you can put it here, like this is the resume thing. I have already uploaded some couple of other things here, like materials and stuff, quiz I have conducted. So all the things will be noted here in this classroom. And Google Calendar, you can give the meeting links and stuff. So yeah, that's it. These are the introduction I started. Like I have given some blank quiz to them. People can also, students can comment here if they have some issues, and then some questions. What's your full name? I was just testing out. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay then, I hope you liked it. Thank you.